The Brahmani kite is considered as the contemporary representation of Garuda. Garuda is described as the king of birds and a kite-like figure.
Who is Garuda? Garuda is an immortal bird god, beloved by Hindus and Buddhists alike. This golden character is so mighty. He has been known to exterminate entire oceans full of snakes and to defeat entire armies of gods in one battle. Fortunately, he fights on the side of the righteous, most of the time. Characteristics. Physical description. With nicknames like King of the Birds and He Who Has Beautiful Feathers, Garuda is bound to be a glorious sight. According to Hindu tradition, he has the torso and arms of a strong man with golden skin. Red wings with long, glimmering feathers spread from behind his back and stretch up to a mile wide. Beneath the knee, his legs are covered with golden scales that lead down to eagle's feet with talons like curved daggers. His face is white and can be completely human with a beak, or completely eagle. A traditional Hindu crown with several golden tears sits on top of his head, and he wears snakes that he has defeated in battle as jewelry. Altogether, he is large enough to block out the sun when he flies.